The best focus now for the first quarter of 2020 is just to get rid of this idea at all, just to, to develop this new mindset. Main things that I need to concentrate on in first quarter of 2021. And I believe the main thing now, we have to rethink, to reset our relationships with our customers. Yeah, I know, of course, I believe you've heard about that before, like 1,000 times, like we have to be very customer-driven, client-oriented, and all these beautiful templates. Yes, agree. But what I'm talking about, because of this, all the situations on the market, our customers, clients, they become much more, let's say, analytical. They really rethink their habits when it comes to brands, suppliers. They start to ask themselves why they buy these things here or there. They are looking for better solutions for their life. And this is why this is the best moment for us. Usually we act this way from the very beginning of our business. When we start our business from scratch, we communicate a lot. We ask our clients a lot what they think, what they want, what they don't like, what would they prefer. All the time we have very deep, from the very beginning of our business, we have very deep understanding of our clients' needs. And unfortunately, it's natural when our company starts to grow, becomes bigger, more successful, for sure, we are losing this connection. Instead of really ask our clients what they really think and what they expect, we start to think for them. We start to decide for them. It's like, oh, of course, I'm in this business for 10 or 20 or 30 years, and I know, for sure, I know what they're thinking about. And so this is why I believe that the best focus now for the first quarter of 2020 is just to get rid of this idea at all, just to, to develop this new mindset. Like, I know nothing about my clients, and I want to know, I want to ask them. And start to communicate with them, start to ask them how they see our business, our company. What, by just their opinion, what we need to improve, what we need to get rid of, what we need to add to our product range, our product line. And now is the best time because it's easy to reach them. Most of them, they stay home. They have some time to talk. So just, I advise you, try to behave the same way as you did when you started your business. Dig deeper and create deeper connection with your clients, with your customers, to understand their needs. And probably this is the most valuable thing for the beginning of the year.